Welcome everyone, Fausto Carnevale from ESENtaxa. Today we are going to talk about crypto tax declaration, and actually this is an essential video for all of you who want to understand how to treat the cryptocurrency in Italy. If you are already subscribed to ESENtaxa, I'm inviting you to also see the video that we realized in December 2021 with Patrick. Patrick is an Italian guy, friend of me and Andrea, and introduced us. He talked about his experience with crypto. He is a professional investor. Today I'm going to talk about the tax point. So I'm not giving now an introduction about what are the cryptocurrency. I assume that you all know what are the cryptocurrency, how you can buy them, and what is your purpose, which can be as investment or speculation or make money or just diversify if you already have a lot of money in your bank account, which I hope that this is the case for you. But anyway, you have to understand, if you are in Italy, if you want to move in Italy, how to treat the crypto declaration. So basically, natural persons, so we're not talking about companies today, who own cryptocurrency are required to fill the framework RW, which we will see then, because I want to say this is the first part of the video when I describe a bit. Then we will see in detail this box, and I'm also handling here my phone because an article which I am taking now some point to discuss more in detail with you. So given that you have cryptocurrency, the taxation, let's go straight to the point, is 26% on capital gain, only in the event of cash out and upon occurrence, the condition of stock exceeding 51,000 euro, 645, this is the precise amount, but let's say 51,645K, a little bit more than 50K, for at least 7 working days. Continue in the tax period exchange rate 1:1. So what does it mean? First things, you can write it down if you want to be more precise in this video. First thing, even if you have 10 euro of cryptocurrency, you have to declare it in the RW. Even if you have 1 euro, because this is the requirement in Italy. But this is the essential point, the critical point. You pay the 20% only if you cash out, only if you, let's say, put 60K, then at the end of the year we are 70K, and you want to take this 10K to live, to go some Italian restaurant, what you do? You have to pay the 26%. But this is another important thing. Let's say you buy the 1st of January and you have an exchange rate euro dollar 1.10, 1 euro is $1.10, and then suppose that the dollar depreciates very bad compared to euro, goes 0.50, 0.60, doesn't matter. You have to consider this exchange rate. Then, before going into this website of the Agenzia delle Entrate, you may already know is the tax authority website, I want to talk about this IVA FE, which IVA means VAT. So maybe you're thinking now, what the hell? I have to pay the VAT? No. This is a tax of the 0.2% of the value of financial assets abroad. Because actually this RW box, okay, you are not Italian, but if you are Italian or if you move to Italy, you have to declare what you have abroad because you are considered as an Italian. So not only the RW, you need this for declaring crypto and other things like bank accounts abroad, but this is not the video. But you would have paid the 0.2% per annum of the value of the financial asset. But, and I wanted to write it here down, so you, if you just enter in the video, you will see you do not have to pay IVA FE for crypto. And this is very important because I don't want you to think that you don't need to pay taxes. You just need to declare it, and if you withdraw exceeding and you exceed this amount, you pay taxes. How you can declare it? So this is now I'm going to start the second part of the video. How? Of course, when I say how can you declare it, I am showing you how, but I would really highly recommend you to do this with your account because it is not easy if you're not Italian, if you don't speak Italian. So if you go to this website here, I'm just doing the step with you and you copy paste. So basically, yeah, you already have this is fascicolo 2, and here you have all the boxes. So basically here you see, for instance, here you have, for instance, company. This is a box if you have a family enterprise. There's a lot of different revenues here, but what we need now is the RW box. So stay tuned, because now I'm going to show you the critical part of this video, the RW box, or in Italian quadro RW. So now we're going to talk about RW1, so quadro RW. Basically, we suppose a situation, an example, sorry, not a situation. Suppose that you just moved in Italy, you have your fiscal code, and you have to declare your cryptocurrency. Let's suppose that in 2020, or in 2021, so you're declaring this in 2022, you invested 50,000 euro, but you didn't withdraw, you didn't cash out anything, and at the end of the 2021, 31 of December, you have 100k. So you start 1st of January 2021, 50k, and at the end you have 100k. Now, how can you declare? So, first thing, here in Codice Possesso, I can't write it, but this is the box 1, you put 1, because you don't have to, you have to say, I am the owner, so you put 1. So, you don't have to put anything in point 2. Point 3, you put the code 14, because the code 14 is for other activities abroad of financial nature. So, in this case, for crypto, you mention the code 14, and I am in box 3 here, codice individuazione bene. Stato estero, for you can leave it empty, because the crypto, you cannot assume that this is actually in a specific country. Colonna 5, quota di possesso, number 5, you put 100%, because let's say that you are the owner, but if you are you and your wife, you can put 50-50. Column 6, you put 1, which is the market value. Column 7, you put, as I said, 50k, because it's the amount that you had at the 1st of January 2021. And box 8, you put 100k, because its valore finale is the final value. Then point 9, you don't have to put anything. 10, 17, and 19, you don't have to put anything, because as I said, the IVA FE is not due. In the 18, you put code 5, because this is an activity that didn't produce revenues. Column 20 is very important, solo monitoraggio. This is in the case, as I said, that you have to only keep it to declare, because the Italian tax authorities want you always, as I said, even if what euro, to declare, to show them that you have some cryptos. But monitoraggio is only to declare, but not to declare as per taxable basis. Then that's it, basically, for what you need. So this is how you can complete. So when you go to your accountant, I highly recommend you that you can go to one of our accountant partner if you need to. After, normally what we do with clients, we know a bit each other. We have a discussion about the situation or about what they want to do in Italy. But for the cryptocurrency, guys, this is very crucial, because I think 10% of the accountants can give you a good overview. And don't fall into the mistake that you say, oh, I don't mind, it's only crypto, nobody will ever see, nobody will have find what I have. When you say that, is really when the tax authorities, Agenzia delle Entrate, they are very, very dangerous. They are always looking for guys like you, but I'm sure you're not, I'm sure that you want to pay taxes, but guys like maybe you, that you don't want to declare anything. And what happened? Then you receive a good letter at your house, and they ask you, hi Fausto, I saw that you need to pay the 20% of taxes for this amount, plus the interest, plus other fee, etc., etc. As we say in Italian, etc., etc. So, guys, I hope this video explained you a bit how is the taxation for Italy. And if you have questions, or let's say if you want to get in touch, if you want to get in touch a little bit more with me and Andrea, please feel free to write an email to the email here in the description. Until next time, this is Fausto. Don't forget to subscribe to ESENtaxa, and I hope to hear from you soon.